Look at this, I drew some portraits of little boys. And this one has a firefighter helmet. Pretty cute. This one has a super soaker gun. Not a real one. I am proud of you, but please stay humble so you can make progress. Look at that. This boy. Baseball player. Okay, very good. Just don't become arrogant, okay? And there's this one. Ta-da, ta-da. The soccer player right here. This boy. Here's my picture of a little boy. I'm pretty good at drawing now. What? This is a stick figure. You cannot compare these two. What are you? Yeah! Hey, thanks for watching.